If you have ever sprinted, dodged, or thrown a ball in a game of Quapena, you already have the physical foundation for a structured team sport. Rounders takes those exact playground instincts and organizes them. You do not need expensive, imported equipment to play. A sturdy, smooth tree branch makes a perfect bat, and brightly colored plastic jerry cans are ideal for marking the bases. This cross-section shows how to build a safe rounders ball. It starts with a core of tightly folded polyethylene bags, wrapped in dry banana fibers, and bound tightly with seesaw strings. The packed plastic core provides bounce, while a smoothed branch ensures a splinter-free grip. By combining resourceful, locally crafted materials with natural athletic movements, you have everything required to set up a highly competitive game. This overhead diagram shows the standard rounders pitch layout. It forms an open pentagon, starting with the batting and bowling squares at the center, leading out to posts 1, 2, 3, and 4, each marked here by yellow jerry cans. The central axis of play happens right here. The bowler delivers the ball from the middle square to the batter, while the highly reflexive backstop waits immediately behind the batting square to catch any missed balls. Expanding to the outer ring, we place field fielders in these specific zones around each jerry can to secure outs. Further back, the deep fielders patrol the wide outer semicircle to chase down massive hits. Assigning players to these specific spatial zones prevents field chaos and ensures every area is covered by a dedicated defender. Here we see the strict mechanics of a legal rounders bowl. The bowler must use a smooth underarm pendulum swing, and the ball has to reach the batter within this designated strike zone, anywhere between the knee and the top of the head. Notice the action on the right. Raising your arm for an overarm bowl, like you might in cricket, is strictly illegal and dangerous in rounders. Those powerful overarm throws have a purpose, but they are reserved exclusively for the deep fielders, who need to return the ball across massive distances. Let's look at the batting square from above to understand a critical safety rule. After swinging, the batter must drop the bat in the green safe zone to the side. Dropping it behind them creates an immediate tripping hazard for the backstop. Once the batter swings, they have to run toward the first post, even if they miss the ball completely. And as this path shows, the runner is required to always travel on the outside of the post markers. Cutting inside is against the rules. Think about the field geography we just covered. If a batter hits the ball far out to the boundary, which specific fielder tracks it down? And what type of throw should they use to get it back to the fourth post quickly? Mastering these mechanical constraints, underarm bowling, safe bat handling, and running outside the posts turns a casual runaround into an organized, safe sport. Let's watch a complete play unfold from above. The bowler delivers a legal underarm pitch, the batter connects with a horizontal swing, and the ball deflects deep into the boundary. The batter immediately drops the bat in the safe zone and begins their sprint, tracing a path strictly outside the first post as they head for the second. Out in the deep field, two defenders are converging on the ball. To prevent a mid-air collision, one fielder loudly calls "mine," allowing their teammate to safely back off. That deep fielder gathers the ball and launches a powerful overarm throw back to the second post. The ball arrives just a fraction of a second before the runner, resulting in a successful stumping out. This graphic lists the absolute rules of the game. Build safe local gear, only bowl underarm, always drop the bat safely, run outside the posts, and communicate loudly on defense. By applying physical fitness, tactical positional awareness, and strict adherence to safety protocols, you can turn any school compound into a thrilling athletic arena.